Hi, I'm Eddie Oberoi.
And I'm Alia Modi.
Alia, did you know that San Jose is one of the largest cities in the United States, and we have so many beautiful pockets over here like Blossom Valley, Almaden Valley, Silver Creek, and we happen to be in Evergreen. And I love this neighborhood because it has so much to offer. What do you think?
Absolutely, Eddie. It's close to the farmer's market, you've got excellent schools nearby, and you're walking distance to the village. You couldn't ask for more.
That is correct. Can't wait to show you this beautiful house. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 3031 Mirassou Estate Place. This modern two-story corner lot, built in 2014 with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, is a quiet home in a friendly neighborhood in the heart of Silicon Valley. An inviting open floor plan with recessed lighting and beautiful floors encompasses a beautiful eat-in kitchen with a large island, providing enough seating for the whole family. You will appreciate 1 bedroom and 1 full bathroom downstairs, great for guests or extended family. The upstairs presents plush wall-to-wall carpeting with a built-in desk for 2, which overlooks downstairs. 2 of the bedrooms have a Jack and Jill bathroom between them, providing both convenience and privacy. The laundry room is suitable for your full-size washer and dryer and comes complete with wood cabinetry. The well-lit master bedroom suite will spoil you with a spa tub, dual sinks, large shower, and a walk-in closet. The maintenance-free paved and private backyard is perfect for a relaxing evening, morning coffee, or a weekend barbecue with friends. This home is just a stone's throw away to parks, trails, Evergreen Village Square, the farmer's market, the new city library, and top-rated K-12 schools. You'll be delighted to call this home.
Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you saw, it's such a gorgeous property. It has so much to offer. And if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.